In the shadowy undergrowth of Madagascar's ancient rainforests, where light filters through layers of dense foliage and the forest floor is a puzzle of leaves, moss, and bark, one of nature's most astonishing masters of disguise quietly exists. The leaf-tailed gecko, Uroplatus fantasticus, often called the fantastic leaf-tailed gecko, is a creature so exquisitely adapted to its environment that it seems sculpted by the forest itself. This remarkable lizard is not only a biological marvel, but also a symbol of the ingenious creativity of evolution. At first glance, you might not see it at all. In fact, that's the point. The leaf-tailed gecko has perfected the art of invisibility. Its flat, leaf-shaped tail, complete with vein-like patterns, ragged edges, and even artificial bites, makes it indistinguishable from dead foliage. Its body mimics bark and dried leaves with extraordinary accuracy, modeled in shades of brown, gray, orange, and rust. Some individuals even have subtle lichen-like speckles, enhancing the illusion of decay. This camouflage is so effective that even experienced researchers can walk past dozens without noticing a single one. But the magic of Uroplatus fantasticus doesn't end with visual mimicry. During the day, when it rests motionlessly on a branch or hangs suspended among dead leaves, its body flattens against the surface, eliminating shadows that could reveal its outline. The illusion is so perfect that predators, from birds to snakes, simply overlook it as part of the forest debris. For a creature only 6 to 9 centimeters long, blending in is not just a convenience, it is survival. As the sun dips below the canopy and darkness floods the forest, the leaf-tailed gecko awakens. It is a nocturnal hunter, relying on stealth rather than speed. Its enormous eyes, golden, copper, or silver with vertical pupils, give it exceptional night vision. These eyes lack eyelids, so the gecko cleans them by licking them with its long tongue, adding another layer of surreal charm to its already fantastical appearance. When it hunts, it moves with deliberate grace, navigating branches and leaves with the poise of a shadow. Its diet consists mostly of insects, moths, crickets, beetles, and other small invertebrates. Every movement is efficient, economical, and purposeful. It does not chase prey recklessly. Instead, it positions itself strategically, waits, and strikes with precision, using its agile jaws to secure its meal. One of the most fascinating aspects of this species is its defensive behavior. When threatened or discovered, which rarely happens thanks to its incredible camouflage, the leaf-tailed gecko may suddenly open its mouth wide, revealing a bright red or orange interior. This burst of unexpected color is meant to startle predators. Sometimes it flattens its body or curls its tail to enhance the illusion of a withered leaf. Other times it simply freezes, trusting its camouflage to do the work. In most cases, it succeeds. The forests of Madagascar are not just its home, they are part of its identity. Uroplatus fantasticus is endemic to the island, meaning it exists nowhere else on Earth. These geckos thrive in humid, undisturbed forest habitats with thick leaf litter, abundant branches, and high moisture. Such conditions are perfect for both camouflage and hunting. Unfortunately, this dependence on pristine rainforest makes the species vulnerable. Habitat loss, driven by logging, slash-and-burn agriculture, and the expansion of human settlements, threatens its survival. Illegal wildlife trade adds even more pressure, as collectors seek these geckos for their bizarre beauty. Despite its delicate size, the leaf-tailed gecko plays a vital role in its ecosystem. By feeding on insects, it helps maintain balance within the forest's food web. It is also an indicator species. Its presence suggests that the surrounding habitat is healthy, biodiverse, and relatively undisturbed. When Uroplatus fantasticus populations decline, it is often a warning sign of broader environmental stress. But what truly sets this species apart is the sense of wonder it evokes. To encounter a leaf-tailed gecko in the wild is to witness a living illusion, a creature that blurs the line between plant and animal, between reality and imagination. Its extraordinary adaptation has made it famous among herpetologists, photographers, and wildlife enthusiasts around the globe. Many describe the moment of spotting one as a blend of shock, admiration, and disbelief. How can something so small, so fragile, embody such evolutionary brilliance? As we continue exploring the world of the leaf-tailed gecko, it becomes clear that this species is not just a visual curiosity. It is a complex, finely tuned organism shaped by millions of years of evolution. Everything about its body, behavior, and ecology whispers a story of adaptation and survival in one of the most biodiverse environments on Earth. One of the most intriguing aspects of Uroplatus fantasticus is its reproductive strategy. Females typically lay only 2 eggs at a time, hidden carefully within leaf litter or tucked beneath fallen bark. These eggs are small, white, and delicate. The mother does not guard them. Instead, she relies on her strategic placement and the forest's natural camouflage to keep them safe. When the hatchlings emerge, they are miniature replicas of the adults, complete with tiny leaf-like tails and perfectly patterned skin. From their first breath, they must fend for themselves, blending instantly into the forest floor to avoid predators. The growth of a young leaf-tailed gecko is a quiet but remarkable journey. Within their first months, they develop stronger coloration and learn the essential behaviors that define their survival. Motionless stillness during the day, careful positioning on bark, and precise hunting at night. Each instinctive action mirrors the generations of geckos that came before them, a living chain of adaptation passed down through time. Communication between individuals is subtle, almost ghost-like. Unlike vocal species, leaf-tailed geckos rely mainly on body language. Gentle swaying motions can signal calmness or territorial boundaries. Quick retreats or defensive displays indicate stress. During courtship, males approach females with slow, measured movements, ensuring they don't provoke a defensive reaction. Their interactions are quiet, delicate, and nearly invisible, fitting for creatures whose entire existence revolves around being unseen. Yet despite their shy and secretive nature, leaf-tailed geckos play an essential ecological role. They help regulate nocturnal insect populations, and their presence contributes to the health of Madagascar's forests. In ecosystems where balance is key, even a small predator like this has a ripple effect that shapes the environment around it. But perhaps the most compelling reason these geckos capture the imagination is the larger message they represent. They remind us of the fragile beauty that exists in places often overlooked by the world. Madagascar is a hotspot of endemism, meaning many species living there exist nowhere else on Earth. The leaf-tailed gecko is one of its treasures, a symbol of natural innovation and evolutionary artistry. But this treasure is at risk. Deforestation continues to shrink its habitat, fragmenting the forest into isolated patches where survival becomes harder. Illegal collection for the pet trade further reduces wild populations, often taking individuals that would never survive captivity. Conservationists emphasize the importance of protecting Madagascar's remaining forests, not only for Uroplatus fantasticus, but for the countless species that depend on these ecosystems. Preserving these habitats ensures that the forests remain vibrant, resilient, and full of life. It allows the leaf-tailed gecko to continue performing its quiet magic, disappearing into leaves by day, emerging as a silent hunter by night. To truly appreciate this species is to understand that nature's most extraordinary creations are often the smallest and most elusive. The fantastic leaf-tailed gecko is a creature of shadows and secrets, a delicate masterpiece hidden in plain sight. It does not roar, leap, or dazzle with bright colors. Instead, it captivates through subtlety, through the incredible precision of its camouflage, the elegance of its movements, and the quiet story of survival etched into every scale. In the end, the leaf-tailed gecko stands as a reminder that wonder is everywhere, even in the stillness of a fallen leaf. All we need to do is look closely, and sometimes be patient enough to see what others overlook.